How to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. And once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now I previously had lots of best friends in my account, but I'll show you how I basically went ahead and removed them. I'll go to my Bitmoji profile, and if I come to my friends section, you can see I do not have any best friends. So if you do have some of the best friends, how do you actually remove them? Before we try to remove our best friends, you have to understand how best friend works and how they were added to you in the first place. You just need to use the algorithm to your own advantage, which means that they were added to your best friends because Snapchat noticed that you were exchanging too many snaps between each other, and automatically Snapchat's algorithm detected that and added them to your best friends list. And in order to remove them from our best friends list, we just have to do the opposite, and that is that we have to simply stop snapping each other. Even if they do send you a snap, you just need to keep quiet and not send any snaps back in return, because if you do, they're not going to be removed from your friends list. It may take up to a couple of days in order to do this process, but trust me, it's going to work. I did this with a bunch of my friends. I simply stopped using Snapchat and stopped sending snaps to that particular person, and now you can see you will not have any type of best friends on Snapchat. As I said, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage, and this is how you can remove best friends on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.